Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you are all doing good. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can update your drivers on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's see how you can update your drivers on Windows 10. So what you need to do is to either search on the search box, search for device manager, just write device manager. This will show you this option which says device manager. You can open by clicking this open button, or you can simply right click on this Windows start icon. Simply right click on it and click on this device manager. So this kind of window will open. So let's say you want to update your display driver. Simply expand your display driver and simply right click on it and choose for update driver, or you can simply click properties in driver section and you can update your driver from here as well. Click update driver, click for search automatically for drivers. It will automatically update your driver. Click on it. You can see the best driver for your device are already installed. So either you can do this, for example, if you don't get the good result by just automatically updating your driver, then simply browse my computer, click on browse my computer for drivers. So you can just copy the name of the driver you want to update on your Windows 10 operating system, then search for that driver on internet and then download that driver and then just go to choose this result. Browse my computer for drivers. You can update the drivers by browsing for the driver file from here. Then click on the next button. When you download your driver from internet, it will show up here. Simply select it and then click next. It will update your driver manually. Okay, so the procedure is same for almost all the drivers here. So let's say I want to update this microphone driver. So just right click on it and then click properties here and then go for the driver and simply see this driver date. So if it looks really old, then it's time to update the driver. So from here also you can just click on update driver, but then search automatically and it's going to search for that driver on internet. And then if the updated driver is available, it's going to install the driver and then driver will be updated on your Windows 10 operating system. So this is how you can update the drivers on Windows 10 operating system. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video. This is Art for this video. Thanks for watching.